Innovative fire extinguishing equipment, Jinmyung 21. Jinmyung 21's fire extinguishing equipment has many uses. It can be used in narrow alleys that are difficult to enter. It pumps from many water sources such as wells, streams, and seawater. Also, it has a self-priming pump capability of 9.7 meters, which is the largest in the world. Furthermore, this equipment can be easily and conveniently operated by a single person. It's transportable for 200 meters vertically and 1 kilometer horizontally. The maximum discharge area is 35 meters to 40 meters. High-pressure discharging foam sprays are also available for oil-related fires. Jinmyung 21's fire extinguishing equipment will protect your loved ones and your valuable belongings. Jinmyung 21, Company Limited.